Let me address you as Professor Porter tonight and get your reading on this landmark Supreme Court case removing a constitutional right that this country has had for 49 years.
This is a terrible setback for all Americans. It's an assault on our freedom, including our economic freedom. What does it mean to live in a country that's trying to compete worldwide, and we're the only country that doesn't have universal paid leave, that doesn't have affordable child care, and now that doesn't have reproductive freedom? This is a terrible outcome, not just for women, but for all Americans.
Yeah, we think of this as a woman's right, which it is. But this impacts all of us, as you say, in every way. And for this court.
Absolutely, Lord.
Go ahead, please.
Let me just say, you ask any man who's paying child support and struggling to do that. You ask any woman, any single mom like me, who is just in the middle of making pesto pasta for a kid who's isolating with COVID and trying to do her job. The last thing I needed tonight was a lecture from Justice Alito about how easy it is today to be a parent. Every child in this country should be wanted, and every person should have the fundamental liberty to make the decision. And for the Supreme Court to lecture single moms like me, women who are being faced with the risk of maternal death from pregnancy, this is a fundamental assault on freedom. And what I feel mostly tonight is anger and a deep sense of sadness that my daughter Betsy and my sons Luke and Paul are going to live in a world with less freedom than I did, my mother, or my grandmother. That is a terrible setback for this country.
It is, and we will be living in a world where we become we will be the 25th country that has this kind of outlawing of abortion, at least in part of the country, if not more. And it is not a distinguished list of countries that we are joining in that. And that is where Samuel Alito thinks we belong.
Yeah, no, and he does not get to make this decision. If you read I just encourage everyone to read the first 6 or 7 sentences of this draft opinion. He starts by saying, abortion is a topic on which Americans have very different moral values. Agreed, and that is all the more reason that this ought to be a decision left to every American to make for themselves. Not a decision that is limited, that is restricted, a freedom that is taken away by a Supreme Court.
And when Justice Alito sends this back to the states, saying that the Supreme Court has no jurisdiction over abortion, apparently they are not saying that Congress has no jurisdiction over abortion.
Absolutely. Congress has already passed a bill led by my colleague from California, Judy Chu, that would create a statutory right to abortion. Congress can protect the rights of every American here to decide when and if to start a family. We have already done that in the House. I hope this spurs the Senate to act.